Hello, pre-calculus students. I'm Mr. Patterson. I'm the current Calculus BC teacher or ABBC teacher. I'm making this video to kind of give you maybe a little information about the BC course and talk to you about maybe the perks about it. Um, so first off, here's a document that's been made. Hopefully your pre-calculus teacher has shown you this or will show you this, or maybe you put it on Schoology so you can check it out. For you juniors that are in pre-calculus and thinking about taking calculus next year as a senior, which I recommend that all juniors that are in pre-calculus this year should take calculus, one of these calculus courses next year. So the AB course covers these topics here. The BC course covers all these topics plus these other 2 units of topics. Here is kind of the breakdown of the AAP exam from the AP College Board website. So here's the AB test. Here are the units that are there and kind of the breakdown. Here's the BC test with the breakdown. And again, you can see that there's really only 2 extra units. Again, they're weighted a little bit higher here because it is BC test, but you also get tested on topics from a B class as well. And then here's kind of the comparison, what you should know between the 2 courses. The big thing for BC is we meet every day. It gives you an opportunity to practice your math skills daily. The other good thing is here, since it's 2 periods of your course, you get of your schedule, you get 2 courses of AP credit in your GPA for boost. That's always a perk. And then the other nice thing about the BC course is when you take the AP exam, if you do well enough on the AB portion but don't do well on the BC portion, you can get a sub score where you can still pass the AB exam and still get at least 1 semester of college credit in college. The other nice thing about the BC is it exposes you to 2 semesters worth of college calculus. So even for some reason you have to retake calculus in college because your college doesn't accept your AP score, or you, for some reason, don't pass the AP exam, you'll probably have an easier time adjusting to college, and since you've already seen the calculus topics. So if you have any questions about the BC course, feel free to reach out to me, either in room 52 or email me at jpatterson at wpusd.org. If you have questions about the AB course, please reach out to Mrs. Berg, who is the current AB teacher. To finish this video, I'm going to kind of give you a little insight of some of my current students' experience with BC. Again, I hope to see everybody next year in one of the calculus classes, and hopefully in my Calculus BC course.
Hi, I'm Sydney. This year I'm doing AP Calculus BC. I chose to do BC over AB because I really like math and I wanted the extra challenge. Also, I knew if I did AB, then I would regret not doing BC. BC is not twice as much work as AB, even though it does meet every day. But because it meets every day, then the GPA grade bump counts for 2 classes, so that's good. My experience in the class is that it's been really fun, but also really challenging, which I like, but it's also my favorite class. So you should take BC.
Hi, my name is Kyle Lautzenheiser, and I'm in AP Calculus AB BC. So I chose BC over AB because it gives a greater coverage of the calculus subject as a whole. Also, on the AP test, there is a AB part as well as a BC part, so you have a chance to skip not only the first part of calculus in college, but the second part if you do well enough and get the college credits from them. And even if you don't pass the BC part, then it should still be easier for you the second time around if you're taking it again in college, because you'll already have gone through it once. Thirdly, since we have class every day instead of every other day, the information is always fresh in your mind if you have questions from the homework or if you have a test or quiz coming up that next day. As for my experience in the class, it has been pretty good. Not easy, but it's not extremely difficult either. The homework is a little difficult because we have it every day, but you just need to stay on top of it. That way you don't get behind. But as for the difficulty of the homework, it is about the same as you have in any other honors or AP class. The tests are also about the same difficulty as you'd have in an honors or AP class. The only different thing about the tests is because they are so long, they're normally split up into different parts. on different days. So while this takes up more days, the test doesn't feel overwhelmed because it's split up like that. So overall, coming into the class, I was really nervous because of how difficult I thought it would be, but it was really not that bad as long as you stay on top of your work and you just pay attention in class. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped make your decision whether to take ABBC or just AB easier.
Okay, so I had originally signed up just to take the AP Calculus AB course because I had heard from so many different people that the BC course was twice as much work and that it was a lot harder and that it wasn't worth taking in the end. But later in the year, Mr. Patterson talked to me and he convinced me to switch over to the BC course, which I'm actually glad I did because even though you do take the class every day, it gives you a lot more time to ask questions and get your questions answered, and you have more time to learn the concepts. And yes, you do learn at a slightly faster pace than you would normally do. You just have more time to actually practice before the test. So I think that it's worth it in the end.